Right, then here we go, continuing on from before the jungle theme. I've got 2 more sets to do. This one is Jungle Explorer Water Plane, set 60425, 2024, 177 pieces, 6+ age. Load up your map and camera and board the water plane for epic wildlife adventures. Spin the propeller and skim over the water at high speed to lift into the air. Perform a perfect river landing and discover a jungle cave, a cute frog and a family of crocodiles. Dive into a world of jungle wildlife stories with Lego City. GG. Okay, so we got some crocodiles, a baby crocodile. We got a frog, which is cool. I love the froggies, and 2 minifigs. So we got a pilot and we got the camera woman. So yeah, that's the stuff we got on the side. So it shows you. Then the back of the box is just pretty much the same. To have water and rocks and everything else to play around with, but hey, it is what it is. Let's open up and see what we got. I've liked the jungle set so far, so I'll enjoy building this probably. Let's get. Oh, there we go. What do we got inside? Oh, no paper bags. Oh dear God, no paper. That's not good. 3 bags, 2 manuals. One to do the side build, which is like the crocodiles, and obviously the character taking the pictures, and a little bit of a rock formation. So that's book 1. And then number 2 is the seaplane, 2 and 3 with the pilot. So that's pretty clear what we got there. So let's open up bag 1. I'm going to put them on the desk. Some are easier on the desk. Cool. We see all the crocodiles, that's cool. This should be a fairly quick bag to do, I think. And don't run away. Okay, cool. Right, so I'm going to start the build. Normal thing, speed build. Let me know if you'd rather me just do photos. Maybe. I enjoy doing the speed build. I'm going to build it anyway, so I don't mind filming it. You can see all my errors and mistakes. I'm not proud, I don't care. I'm only human. Like, subscribe, comment after you've seen the video. Only like it and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I'm trying to get up to 2,000, as I keep saying, but hey, I'll see you in a short while. Oh, that was a quick build. Nice. Liked it. I love the plane. I've said before, okay, now I've made a plane, a ship, a train, and now a car, a truck, now a plane. So that's all good news. Let's have a look at the minifig first. Mr. Pilot. Okay. I like the pilot. He's kind of cool looking. Real old-fashioned kind of guy. And he's got a map showing where the crocodiles are. And also he has a spanner to fix his plane with, which is not very confidence inspiring really, is it? Okay, so there he is in all his little glory. Okay, so minifigs. We have the camera woman. She has a nice camera and a compass in her hand. Let's take those off just a second. Print on the torso, on the front, quite a nice little jacket. For in the jungle, got the emblem of the jungle force, or whatever you want to call them. And she's doing a wink there because she's using her camera, or you can change it to just like a smirky smiley face, but I'll keep the camera one on because she's taking pictures, and I kind of like that. That's really nice that she is doing what everybody would do when they're taking photos. Why is that? Okay, so yeah, there we go. She's taking her photo. Cool. This guy, he's got the goggles that come down or stay up. He doesn't have a hairpiece. One spanner, one map, and he has a nice floral shirt and a flight jacket. Printing there, and also 2 pockets on the legs, which is nice, and also a little bit on the back as well. So brown flight hat, goggles that can fold down and fold up. So yeah, I kind of like him. He's cool. Don't know what his name is. Then we come to the crocodiles. There's the baby croc on the back of mum, which I really like. I like that. It's a nice little touch. Doesn't go on the centre, goes to one side. And the tails, I thought, oh my god, they're going to come off, but you put a little Technic pin in the bottom and they don't come off, which is cool. I quite like that. So you can pose the tail, you can pose the mouth, you know, so that's good. And then you got Dad over here, same as this. And we got the little rock plant, the rock area. We got the little green frog, of course. We like the green frogs. A little bit of a tree with some plants and some flowers on it. Let's take him out of there so you can see it a bit better. You got a bit of water in the back there as well. Some stones and just some greebling on the sides, which looks cool. I like it. I'm a sucker for stuff like that. I love it. He doesn't actually clamp onto that, but you can kind of clamp him on with a plant. He could be like protecting baby, and she's taking the photo and he's running away. Right, so let's get on to the plane, the seaplane. Let's put that back on and I'll show you. Okay. Little bit of a trickiness. Okay. All right, so the plane, you've got the seaplane landing gear, so it skims on the water. Little prop on the front, which is cool. Love the colour scheme of these jungle sets. And then there's the logo of the jungle team. We've got a little red light and a green light on the tail fins. Sorry, this goes up there like that to show it's supporting. It just clips up there. Underneath, nothing much to see, but quite nice. So that's pretty cool. And then you can take the whole of the top off like this. Put your pilot with these goggles on, maybe. So, not that he really needs goggles when he's inside a cockpit, but whatever. His feet connect. He doesn't reach anything. She could actually stand or sit in there as well, but I'm not going to bother showing you. There's no point. She can sit. And then you can actually put this. I tried this and the spanner in there so you don't lose them. and then put the cockpit back on again, which is rather handy really. There we go. See, it's inside, safe and sound. So yeah, maybe she's on top of the plane taking photos. That'll be a little bit safer, I think, you know. But yeah, I like it. Good little set. Give me some comments. Did you buy it? You want to buy it? It's good. It's washability. Look, even with her on the roof, it's washability. Okay. You can play around with it. It's quite robust, nice and solid build, which I was quite pleased with. And of course the crocodiles are my favourite, with the little frog, little bright green frog. You do have a few spare flowers, so if you wanted to put them, or flower, so you wanted to put it on here, you could. So maybe on that one, like that, just to add a little bit more colour to that tree. I think that was the only flower. But yeah, nice little build. Smash the like button, subscribe, comment. See you in the next build. Bye bye.